Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let me show you the way I wash my tilapia fish without having the slime from the fish or the odor from the fish. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to use my knife and my kitchen scissors. So yeah, I'm just removing the dirty from the tilapia. So when I finish with this, I will cut off the unnecessary one that we doesn't need. I will just use my knife or my scissors to cut it off. Keep on washing, guys. I'm going to repeat the same thing for all the fish that I have. Now I'm just cleaning inside the fish, so I'm removing whatsoever the fish have inside. So I'm just peeling everything out of the fish. I will repeat the same thing for all the fish. I'm done with that, so I'm going to use my lemon to clean the fish. This is the most important part, guys. So use lemon. Lemon will make everything clean to remove the odor and the slime from the fish. So I'm just using it to clean all over the fish, the mouth, everything. Although I'm going to cut the head out, but I still clean it before I do the cutting. So I'm just doing the same thing for all the fish. I'm pressing the line inside the fish to remove any excess dirty inside. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share to friends and family. Let's continue with the video, guys. Now I'm roasting the fish. I can do this many times as possible, so I just roast everything. So the next step is to dice the fish. I'm going to dice the fish when I finish with the roasting. Here I'm dicing the fish, so I'm going to throw away the head of the fish. Not too big, not too small, just cut to your desired size, guys. I am done with the cutting. I'm going to roast it one more time and leave the fish to drip for many minutes before I will season and leave it on the fridge for many hours before I use the fish. So now we are done. I'm just going to season the fish. So I have my glove on. I'm just going to season it. Very simple. Just add Maggi or whatever you want for your seasoning. Nothing much, guys. I add a little bit of thyme. So that's it. I season it and leave it for the fridge for many hours before I use it. Guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. Bye bye.